What's poppin', everybody? My name is Ian McQueenie and welcome back to McAffiliate. On my channel, I help content creators build their brand and monetize their content for long-term success by introducing you with the newest business models and kind of shifting your mindset in a positive aspect to help you go further down the road and see that success. So today, we're going to be focusing on something a little bit different. I've been focusing mainly on affiliate marketing, growing your brand, your business, all that recently. But today we're going to be focusing on teenagers. If you're younger than 18, I'm going to be going over the top 5 things you should be doing as a teenager to higher and greater expand your chances of becoming successful down the road. So if you'd like to see more content like this before we even get started with the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for any video requests that you do have in the future. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Hold up! I totally forgot to even put this in the video, but I hope you guys are really liking this new setup. Like, come on, look at this. You got the nice, LED lights in the back. You got the microphone hanging from the top now. I'm in my room. It feels a lot more wholesome, and I feel a lot more comfortable chilling in this environment. So I hope you guys like it too. Hope it's more, visually and I don't know, just visually not impairing, and I don't want to use that word. Engaging. Holy shit, that took me a long time to think of that word. But anyways, I really hope you guys like this new environment. This is what most of my videos are going to be looking like from now on. And yeah, I just thought I'd put this in the video. So now, let's get straight into the video. So at number 5 on this list, we've got working out. So working out, it's funny, it's because I actually, didn't really like working out when I first started. As you can tell now, I pretty much work out every day. But when I first started, it was right before COVID, and my friend was trying to get me into it, and I was like, I don't know, I don't really want to go to the gym. I don't feel like, moving around and stuff. And that was during the point where I was, not in the best mentally and emotionally, so I kind of had some problems there. But, I decided to go. I did what was uncomfortable, and I'm glad I did that. And basically, it just helps you overcome the uncomfortable, and it makes pain your best friend, really. So pain in life isn't really a bad thing as long as you're using it to your advantage to, better improve yourself down the road. And it will make you feel more active and awake. That's the thing. So those days when I didn't feel like going, I just felt like not going all the time because I was so used to sitting around doing nothing, sitting on my butt, being a lazy bum. But instead, I chose to go to the gym, do what was hard, and now I just do it every morning in my free time. And it's safe to say it's helped out immensely with everything in my life, whether it's, finances, surprisingly, it helps a lot, mentality, just, overall spirituality, just everything that makes you feel good in life. It just kind of brings everything to a higher level. So if you don't already, I highly recommend you implement working out into your daily routine because it will highly improve your chances of becoming successful. Alright, hold on a second. The pizza's here. I'll be right back. Can't miss the pizza.
2 hours later.
Oh. Alright, we back. So yeah, that was really good pizza. It turned out to be 2 hours later, like a 2-hour dinner. So yeah, I guess we'll get right back into the video right here. Alright, now where were we? Oh yeah, number 4. At number 4, we've got investing in yourself. You want to be investing in yourself as much as possible as a teen because, honestly, I feel like this is very underrated. A lot of people aren't doing this, and I know a lot of kids my age aren't doing this either, but it's very important to, learn more about yourself and just also learn more about other things that can make you more successful in the future. Whether it's reading books, courses, watching YouTube videos that are informational, anything that'll better your chances of, becoming more successful down the road and just being more knowledgeable. That's literally what this is all about. Having more knowledge later down the road and, becoming more successful thanks to that. But it was weird because I'd be in study hall or something, I like reading my books. Like right here, I've got The Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki, the original, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. But that's besides the point. I would be in study hall reading books, and people would look at me like, what the hell is this guy doing? Like, who reads books anymore? But I've really I've gotten back into books, and I really like what they have in them. Like some of them are older, but it's always got that knowledge that's going to follow through for years and years to go on. So if you're looking for ways to invest in yourself, highly recommend reading books. YouTube's always at your fingertips. And if you need equipment like a mic or a camera, whatever you need to make that bigger investment. But for now, just stick to reading books and searching up for YouTube videos. And I think your life will change drastically for the better. Alright, next on the list, number 3. And number 3, we've got learn a profitable skill. And this is very crucial, getting started with this earlier. I don't know if a lot of you know this, but in 7th grade I was able to scale a YouTube channel to 5,000 subscribers and make $1,000 just in middle school. And I mean, it's crazy to even think about it, but that's how powerful the internet is now. And even like way back when, like 2016, 2017, when I did do that, it was still powerful then. You need to take advantage of this as soon as possible, because in this new technological era, there is so much more opportunity for anyone. Just any, normal, casual dude or woman walking down the street. You could do this in your free time and watch it take over your main job, which is awesome. And that's why it's so important to do it at a young age, because if you start at a young age, you don't even have to worry about the struggles with your family, struggles with going in debt, the struggles with, hating your job and all that. You get to do what you love for free, basically, while getting paid for doing it, and it's awesome. It's the greatest thing ever. But like it says right on here on my computer, this goes hand in hand with a previous ranking. But don't be afraid to learn a skill that can make you a lot of money down the road. And you can do this through courses, side hustles, anything that can, literally make you some more money. Basically just doing what you enjoy. And this includes dropshipping, Amazon FBA, real estate. And the one I do the most, the one that I think is best for beginners, is affiliate marketing. And so if you want to check out affiliate marketing, I do have 2 links down below to 2 courses that I highly recommend, the 3-day challenge and the 15-day challenge. It's really up to you which one you want to choose, but both of those are very crucial to not only mine, but many other success around the world. And when I say around the world, like around the world, not just the United States. So it's very crucial to implement these skills into your life and learn them as soon as possible, because at your teenage years, if you learn this at 16, 17, 18, you're already in the top 1% for your age category. You're just way above the rest of the pack, and your chances of becoming financially free and successful are exponential at that point. So make sure you learn a profitable skill. Now, I cannot speak today, I swear. Learn a profitable skill as soon as possible, and you won't regret it. And now, at number 2 on this list, this one's probably very unexpected, and a lot of people probably will think this is weird, because I did it first. It's meditation, and just kind of, being by yourself with your thoughts and just taking in everything that's around you. And it's a beautiful experience. I used to think it was a waste of time, and that, these people of, astrological signs or whatever it's called, with Aries, Capricorn, all that stuff. I thought they were the type of people to do this. I mean, don't get me wrong, they kind of are. I don't really believe in that stuff. But meditation really gives you a better understanding of who you are as a person and what your heart desires. And this has helped me find out what my passion is in life. And what it is creating content and helping other people learn how to do it themselves and monetize it for the long term. And that's exactly why I started this YouTube channel. That's exactly why I'm talking to the camera at this moment. And that's exactly why I started, creating content just for everybody to see it, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, all of that, because it just gives me a sense of peace and calm, and it just makes me feel at home. So I highly recommend you try out meditating either in the morning or right at night, because if you do it in the morning, it follows through the rest of your day and you have an amazing day. And at night, you feel a sense of peace before you go to bed, and you wake up in a very positive attitude. So it's really up to you what time you want to try it. But if you want to get started with your first meditation, search up guided meditation on YouTube and just watch one that's about 10-15 minutes long. Just sit there with your thoughts and just take it all in. And give it a try. Now, before we get to number 1, I have some honorable mentions. And what that one is, actually, I don't have some, I have one. And this one's very crucial. It's right here. It's this big whiteboard that's on my wall. And that's where all my affirmations are. It's when I tell myself, I am strong, I am confident, I am happy, I am positive, I am creative. And I tell myself this stuff every single morning, right after I get out of bed, over and over and over, every single day. And basically what it does is it reprograms your mind, makes your brain think that no matter, what your past is, and it really changes your future for you subconsciously without you even knowing. And the more you do it, the more your chances are and highly likely to become very successful in the future. So make sure you implement this in your life. This is a little, honorable mention that I just thought I would implement into this. It's like a little bonus, I guess. But yeah, now we'll get right into number one. And number one, here we go. Have fun. You're a teenager. Have fun. These are the best years of your life. Trust me. You have the most free time ever. Like when I was younger, I wanted to be an adult. I still kind of do because I'm excited for my future. But when you're a teenager, you are the most free you've ever been. And it says right here, make sure you cherish the time as a kid, because sooner than later, high school will be over, and then you'll be going to your graduation ceremony. So whether it's jumping off cliffs or, obviously into water, you don't want to just be jumping off cliffs, traveling across the state, or just staying the night and, playing some video games, make sure you cherish those memories and just, have some fun. Because the biggest regret many adults have is not making enough memories as a kid. So be yourself, do some stupid shit, and just have fun. Because sooner than later, just like that, you won't be a kid anymore. But the more memories you make, the more adventures you go on, the longer it will feel. And I guarantee you'll have a awesome childhood, no matter what age you're at right now, 17, 16, 14, 12, wherever you are in life. Just have fun, please. So that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the top 5 things you should be doing as a teenager. And if you haven't already, check out the links down below to the 2 courses that I recommended for affiliate marketing. If you really want to take your life seriously and start making some money online as a teenager. And I think the best one for teens is a 3-day challenge because I don't know if the 15-day allows you until you're 18 years old. So check out the 3-day if you're younger than 18. And yeah, just check them out, see how you like them. And if you want some one-on-one help, DM me at Ian McQueenie on Instagram and I'll help you. But yeah, that's besides the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below for any video recommendations that you do have for the future. And turn on the bell for any notifications that I do have a YouTube video coming up or whenever I post. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to try and post weekly from now on. I've been on a little slacking spree, I guess you could say. I haven't really been posting consistently. But going forward, I plan to post every week, every other 7 days. So stay tuned for that. And once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.